scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Labor force participation sounds trickle, but this one is fast if you track who counts in the labor force and compare May with June. Labor force participation rate means labor force divided by the working age population. So here, we compare the labor force to 150 million in both months, because population never changed. In May, the labor force is already given as 120 million, so the participation rate is 120 over 150, which equals 0.8 or 80%. Nice and clean. In June, those 5 million people lost jobs but kept looking, so they still count in the labor force. Well done! Scan now. Trap. Rushing signs and inventing change. Rule. Trust the given facts and check each step, because job loss alone does not.